Hey guys. So you are thinking of buying a mobile phone which is in your budget and will provide more functions. So today we have a list of top 3 mobile phones below 15,000. The first one is from Asus, which is Asus ZenFone Max Pro, which comes in price below 14,000 and provides you all the functions. It has a 18:9 aspect ratio, dual camera, Snapdragon 660 processor, 5000 mAh battery, etc. The second one in our list is from Xiaomi, which is Note 5 Pro. It is also a good phone at this price range. It will also provide you the value for your money and has many features. The last one is from Motorola, which is Motorola G5S Plus. It is a very good phone and will long last as its build quality is very good. And it also has a good camera. But my personal favorite is Asus ZenFone Max Pro, because of its stunning looks and features. Thanks for watching Tech Molecule. See you in the next one.